figure is also good.
Sir, see the lotus.
This looks very good.
Sir,
The color of this very nice.
sir, I have a drawing.
Wait, Rupam, wait, huh? Anisha, this is much better than the apple. Apple से बहुत अच्छा हुआ ये. Good, very good. The color of the lotus is very nice and the water is also looking very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Bivasita, now you can show me your drawing.
Okay, sir. 1 minute wait.
After Rupam, just wait. I will see your work. Huh? What is this, Rupam? Tell me the name of this.
Sir, this is the Michael Townley. A game name was GTA 5. This is the character gangster. This is the character of head Michael Townley.
वो means a character from the game, ना? Game का character है ये ना?
Yes. Grand Theft Auto V5.
Sir,
In
today
lockdown, this is the famous game.
Grand
This
Theft
is
All
Auto
good.
5.
gamers are
The
playing.
drawing of face is correct, but you have to learn to draw hand, हाँ? हाथ अच्छे से draw करो. The hand drawing is not correct. The face is correct, and the dress is also correct.
Sir,
But
this hand is correct.
no, this hand is not correct. Try to make it perfect, हाँ? ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ. बाकी face
And
अच्छा है.
this
Face
the
is
gun.
good.
This gun is correct.
हाँ, gun is correct. Face correct. Face is also correct. Only hand you have to make it correct, हाँ? Hand को अच्छा करना. हाँ, face is good. Face अच्छा हुआ है. Yes, Bivasita, show me.
What's your hair?
Hair is also good.
Okay, sir. Thank
Apple.
you, sir.
Yes, nice shading, nice shading. Try to give shadow also, Vivasita. Try to give shadow. Shadow I have given.
Sir,
You have given, ना? But little bit dark also will be there. थोड़ा और dark होगा ना? थोड़ा हल्का. The outside means two tone will be there. In front of the apple, little bit dark, and from the distance you can give light. On the top that apple is good. Show me the top apple.
sir.
One apple you have drawn on the top, na? Show me that. This shadow is good. This shadow is good.
Sir, this is not drawn by me. This is drawn by sir.
Okay. So look at the shadow. Your apple is also good. The shading that you have given in your apple, it is good. But shadow it will be little bit more dark. थोड़ा और dark होगा.
Okay,
The apple is correct. The shadow you have to make it more dark.
Sir, I draw
ठीक है, shadow को और
the
थोड़ा dark
usual
करना. बाकी
chorus
सारा
here,
सही
the
है.
techno gamers.
Good.
Sir,
Again game,
Sir,
Rupam.
this sketch is
No,
good.
Means
this is
you are playing.
Dupam, this is not a techno game or visual choice.
Rupam, the
This
neck
is-
becomes very thin, very thick. देखो गला बहुत मोटा हो गया. Show me the drawing again. The neck becomes very thick. बहुत मोटा हो गया गला ना.
Yes,
ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो गले का जिम करता है गले में.
Sir,
गला बहुत पतला होगा ना. Make it.
sir.
I have a card drawings.
हाँ.
Sir, this is the Bugatti Veyron.
Show me. Car.
Cristiano Ronaldo's card. Super card.
Keep it straight. Straight करो. Like this. This one is good.
Sir, this Range Rover.
This one is also nice.
This is the SUV card.
Yes, sir. I love the Land Rover, Range Rover. Range Rover is nickname.
And this is the Rolls Royce Phantom.
Yes,
sir,
Ayushman,
Rolls
I'm
Royce,
coming.
my
One by one, I will see all
favorite
the
car.
one by one.
Sir,
I will see all
सर
the I will
सर
give
बहुत
name.
बेकार छीनना
Can you
चाहता
show
हूँ
me?
बहुत सर दिस इज सर एक ये है ना बहुत महंगी गाड़ी है वर्ल्ड का
Yes,
वर्ल्ड
Rupam,
महंगे कार
listen, Rupam. Okay, Rudra, stop. Rupam, everything you have done, that is
This
good. You are
is-
practicing. You're good. It's good that you are
Sir,
practicing,
this is
but
the
do one thing.
Bentley
You have to
Mulsanne.
color also. Rupam, you have to color.
Is drawing also. Sir, I will do the
Wait.
Sir,
Somodeep and Shrestha, just wait for 1 minute. Rupam, listen. The drawing that you have done is good. All the drawings are good. Few mistakes are there. Make it correct and do one thing. Everything you are doing only in pencil. You have to color also, है ना? Color भी करना पड़ेगा.
Okay,
Only
sir.
pencil shading. You can do pencil shading, but not only pencil shading. You have to do color also. Color bhi karna, not only pencil shading.
Sir, I got this G wagon.
Yes, Bivasita.
Sir, you see. Please
Yes, Shrestha,
see.
I am seeing. I am seeing. After Bivasita, I will see your work. Shrestha, just wait.
Okay, sir.
Bivasita, the sky looks very nice. The color of the sky very good. Very good. This mountain looks very nice. Mountain बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. The
Thank
color
you,
that you
sir.
have given in the mountain, that's very different and very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice colors. And now, Shrestha, you show me.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes, Joita, after Shrestha will come. After Shrestha. Ayushman and Somodeep, you also want to show something, na? Show me. Shrestha, what is this? Cup and
Tell what?
cap.
Sir, cap and cup.
The cup is good. Cap will be little, the drawing of the cap is not correct. Color is good, but the drawing of the cap is not correct. Cap का जो drawing किया वो सही नहीं है ना. वो देखो flat हो गया ना. वो थोड़ा ground होगा. The top will be little bit round. ऊपर थोड़ा round होगा.
Sir, I correctly.
हाँ. Yes. Joita, now show me.
Sir, see this one.
Joita, show me your work. Yes,
Last
sir.
drawing.
This one is the bird looks very
See
cute.
my drawing.
Yes, Somodip. Wait, I will call your name, Somodip. After Joita, I will call your name. Yes, Shrestha. Below the bird, just make one branch also.
Okay,
Make
sir.
one tree branch. Then it will look good.
Okay,
Yes,
sir,
now
this
Joita,
is-
show me your work. Joita, you're showing something.
Yes, sir. This one.
Sir,
Wow, the human figure drawing is very good.
sir, this
The
air
shade-
pollution and the
Rupam, wait.
environmental
One by
drawing,
one,
how this?
Rupam, wait, one by one. Okay, Joita, so the watercolor you have done, no? Joita, what is this? Watercolor? A pastel color?
Yes, sir. This is
Watercolor,
what.
no? Very nice, very
Sir,
nice.
see this.
Very nice. The drawing looks very nice and the color is also good. Okay,
Sir,
practice
my
more with
shade is
watercolor.
out.
Practice more like this with watercolor.
Sir.
Yes. Somodip now, then Rupam. One by one. And Ayushman, what? You want to tell me something? No? Yes, Ayushman?
Sir, can I talk to Rupa one time?
Rupam. Yes. Say. Somodip.
No, Franklin.
Oh, Franklin, GTA 5's or character. Yes, I tried this to do,
Yes,
but
I know.
not Franklin
Okay,
and
listen.
paper also.
So you can draw and you can send in the group, Then
Sir.
others can also see. Yes, so me
And
now.
I will draw Lester.
This the face of a boy, na? Face of a boy. Yes, good. Now you can shade it also.
Hello,
Somebody you
sir.
can shade it. Yes.
Okay,
Say,
sir. Sir, please look this.
head of a boy, na? Okay, you can shade it or you can color it also. This one I have seen. You have shown me. I have seen this one.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You have shown me before. I have already seen this one.
Sir,
Sir.
this one also I have drawn.
Wait. Don't speak in the same
is
time.
the
I will call your
drawing
name
of
one by
Fortnite
one. Then you can show me.
Sir, this is.
This one also I have seen, Somodip. This one also I have seen. ये भी दिखाया तुमने ना? This one तो already I have seen. The drawing is very good. You can color it now.
सर आप
Sir.
क्लास में सीधी ड्राइंग सिखाए ना
This one also I have seen, Somodip. This one also I have seen some.
सर one time talking Bengali মানে Bengali
Wait, Rudra, wait. Let me see all the work. Then I will come to you. Joita, I have seen the cap. You send in the group. You have not sent in the group. Only 3 students have sent me in the
Sir,
group.
see this.
Listen to me.
This is
That
my room.
I got only 3 caps photo. One is Onnesa, one is Sayantan, I think. One is Sayantan and one is Surosai. 3 students have sent me the picture of cap, and now Joita is showing me. Means only 4 students have done. Other students have not done the picture of cap, the craft of cap.
Yes, sir, I have done.
Who has? Yes, Joyita, show me again the cap.
My drawing.
Joyita, show me the cap again. Wait, all of you wait. हाँ, I'll call your name. मैं जब नाम बुलाऊंगा, then you can show me. Because I can see one drawing at a time. The design of the cap is correct, but color will be little bit different. है ना? Color थोड़ा अलग-अलग होगा ना? The color will be little bit different. Look, this cap is the color of the cap. Look at the color of the cap of Sayantan. These colors are correct. Joyita, your design is good, huh? The design is totally perfect. Shape is correct. Only the colors are not correct, है ना? Yes, Annesa, yours is also correct. Joyita, your design is correct. Shape is also correct. Only colors are not correct, huh?
Okay, sir.
So it will also look good. When you wear it, it will also look good.
Okay, sir.
Now,
see my cap.
yes, Sayantan, the color are correct, Sayantan. Yes, Rupam, show me. Rupam, you have also not sent me the picture. तुमने ये picture नहीं भेजा था. In Facebook, I have uploaded only 3 works. You have seen, na? In your group, I have sent you the link. You have seen only 3 works because I have only.
Sir. Sir, please.
Sir, this cap.
Sir, can I see my drawing?
Yes, Somodeep, this one is good. Set it completely, huh? पूरा set करो. You have not given any shade. Only lift. You have color.
My
Sir, see my sir. See this
Yes,
shade.
Ayushman. Yes, wait.
Sir, see this pencil shade.
Okay, now last, I will see only Ayushman and Rupam. Then I will give you the classwork. Huh? Ayushman and Rupam. Then I will give you the classwork because very less time is there. You have to work. Yes, Ayushman.
Sir.
Show me.
Sir, this is my drawing.
This one is correct. Everything is
Sir,
correct.
one
Now
more.
color it.
Sir, see.
Yes, Rupam.
Sir.
Pollution.
Yes, sir. Plastic pollution and factory pollution.
Good,
Sir.
very good. But in this also you have done pencil shading. No color. Rupam, you have not given any color to any of the drawings.
Also is my drawing.
Yes, Ayushman. This
Sir,
one
at
is excellent.
15 August आ रहा है ना?
This is for 15 August also. This will also work for 15 August also.
Sir,
Good. So you are drawing only
I
human
will
figures.
draw
Very
it
nice.
animal, but
The
the
head-
sea
the head
will
looks very
so
small,
shine
Ayushman.
you.
Head बहुत छोटा हो गया ना. If you compare the head with the body, the head looks very small.
Sir, I will
Body
draw
बड़ा
this
है.
animal.
Okay, now listen. Those who have done, you can send me in the group. I can't see all the drawings, you know, because I have to give classwork also. So only 15 minutes I will see all the works. After 15 minutes, I'll give the classwork. So 15 minutes is over now. Yes,
Okay, sir. Please my class work.
Sir, can you send in
now I will
the
give the
group?
classwork.
Sir, tell the
Can you
class
send the 3D drawing in the group?
You can send. No need to ask. What you have done, you can send me. No need to ask. पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. जो भी कर रहे हो मुझे ग्रुप में भेज.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look. Page number 9. I think 9 it is, no? It's 9, I think.
Sir, we have to do now our sensitive work.
Yes, sir. This is a very.
Listen. I'll give you friendship. I will give you friendship day. This will also work as a friendship day work. Listen. पहले सुन लो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Then you can tell me. Yeah. So this is a bag, a paper bag that you have to make. It is a book work. Okay, this is a book work because we have to do book work today. So this is a book work that you have to do today with newspaper.
Okay, sir.
And inside that you have to do anything, and you can put inside a friendship card or friendship band. You can put anything for your friend. Means this bag is only for gift wrapper. And suppose you are giving gift to your friend, so you can give with this bag. You can put the gift inside the bag, and you can give this bag to your friend.
The gift कैसे delivery कर?
Now listen, this is the bag that you have to make with newspaper, and you have to put one gift. That gift will be a friendship band, or it can be a card also. ठीक है, कार्ड भी हो सकता है, एक फ्रेंडशिप बैंड भी हो सकता है. Yes.
The design also cut you can send us.
Yes, I will send you few designs. After the class, I will send you few designs. Yes.
हेलो सर, पेपर से करना पड़ेगा.
Listen, this one you can do with newspaper, or if you have color paper, you can do that with color paper also. ठीक है, जो भी तुम materials करो, that doesn't matter. You can use newspaper, you can use color paper, no matter, हाँ, no problem. But for the handle, you have to use ribbon. Handle के लिए तुम्हें ribbon use करना पड़ेगा. To make the handle, you have to use ribbon. Look on the top, you can see one ribbon they have tied to hold it properly. Na? So this is only to carry your gift, but gift is a different. Two work you have to do. One is a gift and one is a gift holder. Yes, yes, speak. What happened?
Sir, you give class 3 data card. I have seen that. I mean, sir, you not give us a card, only card.
Today I'm giving you two things, card or band. A friendship band can be there, a card also can be there. It depends on you. तुम क्या बनाना चाहते हो वो बनाना. अगर तुम कार्ड बनाना चाहते हो, you can make card. If you want to make friendship band, you can make friendship band. I will show you some work. हाँ, मैं कुछ काम दिखाता हूँ अभी. You can work like that also. Okay, I'm showing you some works. हाँ, so this is only to hold your friendship gift. You can hold your friendship gift. You can put your friendship gift in this bag. Now, what is the friendship gift? I'm showing you. Friendship gift क्या होगा मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. Wait. Yes, look. So friendship gift. How to make? If you are making a card. अगर तुम कार्ड बना रहे हो तो कार्ड कैसे बनाना? The card will be no drawing will be there. हाँ. In card no drawing will be there. कार्ड में कोई ड्राइंग नहीं करना है. Just you take A4 paper and fold that A4 paper in half. ठीक है? A4 paper को half में fold करना and nothing to draw on the card. On front of the card, what you have to do? You have to paste objects. कोई भी object paste करना है, और you can paste papers also. Paper paste करना या फिर object paste करना, and by pasting those objects, you have to make something like this. I'm showing you something. Look, by pasting earbuds, he has made flowers. By pasting pencil scraps, he have made flowers. By pasting here the tip of the earbuds, he have made flowers, and beads also he have used. And beads use कर सकते हो. Whatever objects you are having in your home, you can paste those objects. You can paste matchstick also. You can paste flowers also, leaves also, branches also. You can paste matchstick. हाँ, if matchstick you can paste. You can paste the tip of the matchstick only. Matchstick का जो ऊपर का जो brown part होता है ना, you can paste that brown part only.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we do in the
सर ये फ्रेंडशिप डे के लिए बनाना है तो
Yes, yes, you have made this for friendship day.
फिश मेकिंग सर थी ना सर बॉर्डर का फिश मेकिंग.
Now tell me what object are used in this picture. What object you have used in this picture? इस picture में कौन सा object use है? Can anyone tell me?
सर लीव आई कैन लीव.
Leaf. No, it is 3D. It's 3D. देखो, it has volume है ना, round है देखो. Leaf तो ऐसा round नहीं होता है. Anyone can tell me what object you have used making the flower?
Sir, fruit.
Root.
सर फ्लावर.
No. Look, the object is no.
जब बता
Yes.
है सर
हाँ बोलो.
मैंने पाता में खुली.
हाँ, that is also in this picture. Listen. Nafisa has said that you can use the cell of the बादाम. हाँ, बादाम का जो ये होता है ना cover, you can use that cover also. Almond का देखना cover होता है. You can use that almond cover also.
Our dress have na some in that.
But in this picture it is different. इसमें कुछ और है. But in this picture it is different. I'm telling what is this. This is a plastic spoon. प्लास्टिक का चम्मच होता है ना छोटा छोटा, तो चम्मच उसने काट दिया, हैंडल काट दिया है. Only the front part is given. है ना, चम्मच का देखना प्लास्टिक का चम्मच होता है छोटा छोटा. Which we are using.
हमारे मम्मी काटने नहीं देंगे.
Yes.
And this is, look, if you are using the spoon, it is very low cost, है ना, बहुत सस्ता होता है ये. If you are buying, suppose in 1 rupee you will get 2 spoons, or maybe 1 rupee 1 spoon, very less price. So you can buy these spoons. If you want to make flower spoon also, you can buy this spoon, है ना, very less price will be there.
Sir, I want to make that bottle cap fish.
हाँ, you can use bottle cap also. Bottle cap भी use कर सकते हो. So only object you have to use.
Please one time tell that. Sir, please one time see that bottle cap picture.
Bottle cap.
Bottle cap. Sir, bottle
Let me
cap
see.
fish. Sir, bottle cap
Bottle-
fish.
Look on this one. You can make this flower also. In the center you can put one bottle cap. In the center you can put one bottle cap, and for the petals of the flower you can put matchstick. You can put earbud.
Sir, that bottle cap fish making, there is a picture, no? That I'm thinking. Here, that bottle cap fish making.
Which one? I have that picture in my.
Yes,
this
sir,
one?
No, sir. Sir, in
Fish
this
making.
one,
This one.
fish. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This one also you can do. You can also do in your card. In front of the card you can make fish also, like this with bottle cap. You can make flower. You can make landscape. You can make scenery. You can make a boy. You can make a
Sir, I
girl.
want to do this picture. Means this bottle cap fish. This is so
You can do.
much easy. This
No drawing.
this
No drawing.
bottle
But
cap
today,
have all our home.
you can use that bottle cap. No problem. है ना? So only to use objects. No drawing will be there. कोई drawing नहीं करना है. ठीक है? किसी को drawing नहीं करना है. Card में you have to paste any object. You have to paste paper or anything you can paste. But by pasting you have to make the card without drawing. ठीक है? देखो, you have for the leaves you have pasted plastic, green plastic. देखो ये leaf जो है made with green plastic.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Is it-
that here have na that bottle cap behind that. What is that? How?
That is
we can
paper.
do
That is paper. That is paper. Paper, yellow paper. Paper you can use, है ना? You can use paper, but you have to paste.
Okay.
It's also no drawing, है ना? No drawing will be there. Only you have to paste.
Sir,
Either it is
the
paper.
bubbles do white pen or pencil?
That is color. That is color. That is only color.
Okay, sir.
White color, white pencil. If you have, you can use white pencil also. Okay. So no drawing is there. Only pasting is there. You can paste. Look, this is also a bottle cap. You can do this, and in between the bottle cap, you can paste one cotton ball. ठीक है? Cotton ball paste कर देना. For the leaves you can paste green paper. For the grass you can paste green paper. For the pot also you can paste brown paper.
Sir,
This one is also interesting. This is also interesting. Look at this. This is also interesting. Yes, paste. What is this?
pasta.
क्या ये? Yes, pasta. You can use pasta also. You can use dal also. In your kitchen, you can use anything, whatever you have in your kitchen. You can use
pasta food.
yes, pasta food.
Yes, sir. Sir, hiding.
So you can use that pasta also. दाल भी यूज कर सकते हो. If you want orange color, you can use orange dal. You can use.
Not waste the food.
It is not waste.
Sir, I
It is-
can do this with paper. Round.
You can use with paper also. You can make a paper roll and you can cut in a small part. You can paint those small parts like this to make the petals of the
I
flower.
round paper
है ना?
and I can
make a
do
paper.
this with flower. Sir, the
What?
middle of the
Nothing.
flower have color. I can do this with pink flower.
Pink flower, you can do with pink flower also. You can use any object, No need to ask me. कोई भी
Sir.
object use कर सकते हो.
Sir,
can
in
use-
the middle of the flower have color or plastic.
That is different thing. What for that you can do one thing. You can crush one paper, ना कोई भी पेपर लेना उसको crush कर देना, उसको चपटा कर देना दबा के.
জি
Then you can
Sir.
paste that paper.
কমলের পেটেল কি মিট দিয়ে করা হবে?
What meat? What Rudra?
স্যার পেটেল
Okay,
কি
listen.
মিট
मीट पेस्ट करोगे?
No, sir.
No need to paste meat. Meat is very, how you can paste meat? Now you have said me that you
What
don't
is
want to
the meaning
waste
of
food.
meat?
Now you have said me that you don't want to waste food, and now you are telling sir I will paste meat. खुद ही बोल रहे हो तो मुझे खाना वेस्ट नहीं करना है, अब तुम खुद ही बोल रहे हो मीट पेस्ट करूंगा. So you have to paste only waste thing. हाँ, waste thing paste करना, जो waste हो गया है उसको यूज करना है ना, कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट खराब नहीं करना है. ठीक है.
Sir.
In the middle of the flower you can use tissue paper also. Tissue paper को paste crush कर देना, then you can paste that tissue paper also. Normal paper भी paste
Sir,
कर
I
सकते हो.
have tissue paper. I can do that.
हाँ, you can use tissue paper. Crush the tissue paper, चपटा कर देना उसको, crush कर देना अच्छे से, तो इसको paste कर देना.
Okay, sir.
And give a green brown color. ठीक है. Look at this. You can take your hand print, take your hand impression, outline the hand impression and color it, and you can paste it in your card also.
Sir,
You can use,
that. Sir, this is button.
yes, this is button. You can use buttons also. Look,
Sir,
different
what is the button?
look, different objects are there, है ना. मैंने यहाँ पे
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
listen,
Sir,
मैंने wait. So listen, so many objects are there, है ना. I am showing only few objects. मैं अभी कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट दिखा रहा हूँ, बट यहाँ बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट है. तुम अपने घर पे सर्च करना, whatever waste objects you are having, you can paste those waste objects and make something creative.
Sir, the previous
Yes,
Sir, yes, hand. Sir, previous hand picture. Sir, butterfly
Yes.
previous. There is a hand, show it, please.
this one.
Sir, in that butterfly, have the. Sir, one time talking Bengali.
Yes.
Sir, butterfly-টার shoot-টা কিভাবে করব?
So that is with beads, है ना. तुम्हारे पास देखना माला होता है, माले में देखना beads होता है. That is called beads.
बोताम ना बोताम.
This is the body of the feather of the butterfly. There is
Sir,
button
this is
and,
button butterfly.
and the antenna that you can see the antenna. Wait. Let me complete what I am saying. So buttons से body बनाना है and the antenna is with beads. Okay, antenna beads से बनाना है. Yes. Now who was speaking?
Sir,
Yes. What happened?
sir, I am telling that I have selected a card. Can I show with presenting my screen?
Yes. Show me.
Okay, sir.
So these are the objects. Only you have to find the object, whatever object you are having in your home. घर पे पहले सर्च करना, ठीक है. घर में अच्छे से देखना क्या क्या ऑब्जेक्ट है तुम्हारा. बटन्स भी हो सकता है, बॉटल का कैप हो सकता है, बॉटल का टुकड़ा भी हो सकता है. You can
this
cut the
one.
bottle, plastic bottle, and you can make something.
Sir, this one.
हाँ.
Wait, it is coming.
Okay. And you have to make that bag also, to keep your gift inside the bag. Bag के अंदर कोई gift, वो gift रखने के लिए you have to make that bag also.
ये रोटी बनाने की क्या sir?
Sir, this one. Sir, this one.
Sir, ये वाला
This card also you can make. You have to paste paper only to make this card. ये कार्ड बनाने के सिर्फ तुम्हें पेपर पेस्ट करना है, nothing else.
Okay,
Only
sir.
paper is there, है ना. Only paper you have to paste, nothing else.
Yes, sir. I will make it double-sided paper. I will fold that, and the background side I will do this.
Okay, do it.
And inside I will give the beads.
Okay, give beads also for decoration. So today's topic is that you have to make a bag to keep your gifts for friendship, and one card you have to make. Card, or you can make a friendship band also. If you want to make card, you can make card. But card, on the top of the card, no drawing will be there.
Sir,
Yes.
I make friendship band.
Okay, then you can make band. But band also you have to make with objects, है ना. कुछ objects खोजना, या फिर यू कैन मेक विथ पेपर ऑल्सो, पेपर से ही बना सकते हो.
want to make with paper.
ओके, यू कैन यूज पेपर ऑल्सो.
Sir, sir,
यस.
I can make ATM.
Sir, I see the friendship card. Please one. Sir,
Yes,
I
Rud-
shared my.
wait. Yes, Rudra, what you are saying?
Sir,
Hey, Rudra, no, not Rudra. Rupam, what happened?
Sir, it's over.
Yes, time is over. Yes, Rupam,
sir, I can make ATM bank.
ATM bank.
I can.
You can make
ATM
anything,
bank.
but no drawing will be there. By pasting object you have to make. Drawing नहीं करना है ना, object paste करके बनाना.
I share my screen and see the friendship band.
Yes, show me fast. Now time is over, na? Show me fast. Only 1 minute you have. Show me. Then after that, we'll over the class.
Sir, I see your
Sir, I
ATM
see
card.
my share screen.
Yes, fast. Yes, I can see.
सर मैं इस टाइप का कार्ड भी बना सकता हूँ, इस टाइप का.
No.
Card.
You can make this design, but you have to draw something on the front of the card. ठीक है?
सर
देखो कार्ड बनाओ, कार्ड का टॉपिक अलग है ना. आज मैंने टॉपिक दिया, उस टॉपिक पे ड्रॉ करना है. दिस इज योर चैलेंज, दैट यू हैव टू मेक समथिंग विद दिस
सर
टॉपिक.
इस टाइप का पेपर कहाँ पर मिलता है?
स्टोर में मिल जाएगा, तुम्हारे बुक स्टोर में.
एक बार मैं एक स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकती हूँ.
यस नाफिसा.
सर
यस रुद्र, यू कैन यूज दिस.
सर जैसे बना रहे हैं मैं ऐसा बना नहीं सकता.
So no need to make these things, huh? These are different, है ना. मैंने जो बोला है उसमें सिंपल तुम्हें ऑब्जेक्ट पेस्ट करना, you have to make something creative card,
ओके
not
सर.
origami card. हाँ, origami card नहीं बनाना.
Sir,
Stop sharing.
Yes,
I
stop,
one
stop.
time see private parenting.
Yes, Nafisa, show me. Yes, I can see. Show me. So no need to make origami card, huh? Origami card नहीं बनाना. You have to draw something. You have to paste something,
हेलो सर,
and you have to make something creative card.
हिंदी में कार्ड बनाता हूँ पे.
Fold करके कार्ड नहीं बनाना ना. That is called origami card. Don't make origami card. You have to decorate the front of the card by pasting any object.
This is called suta. I can make with this type.
Yes, you can. Thread na. Suta means thread. So you can use thread
Yes.
to make friendship band. You can use
मेरे
ribbon
पास
also.
बहुत सूता है, उसके लिए बोल
You
रही हूँ.
can use thread.
This also.
Thread, wool also you can use. If you have wool in your home, you can use wool. You can use ribbon.
Wool.
ठीक है? Wool. Yes, Anessa.
Sir, I can see a car for friendship day.
Yes, Anessa. Say what happened.
Okay, sir. Going. Yes. Yes, sir.
So listen, I will send all the images that I have shown you. मैंने जो pictures दिखाया, I will send all the pictures, and I will send you some band pictures also, ना? Some friendship band pictures I will send you. Whatever you like, you can do that.
Sir, this can we do? This can I do?
Teddy bear card.
Yes.
Yes, teddy bear card also you can do, but you have to paste something. ना? Draw नहीं करना है कुछ भी. You have to paste. You can paste the eye also.
Sir,
You can make the eye with
I have class
buttons. You can.
eyes.
See, it is nice.
It's,
Sir,
yes, Anessa, you can do. Huh?
hello
You can do
sir.
that. Yes, Rupam.
I will see this ATM. I will do this ATM. Sir, see this.
Show me.
Sir, this type.
Rupam, this is different. This is different thing. है ना, ये different है. Today you have to make something that you can give to your friend. है ना, ऐसा कुछ बनाना जो तुम अपने friend को gift करोगे. तुम अपने friend को ATM gift करोगे?
No, sir.
Then this you can make. This is extra work. This is not class work. हाँ, तुम ये बना सकते हो. No problem. You can make it.
हार्ट ATM का.
hard also you can try, है ना, you can, no problem, you can try, but this is not class work. In extra work you can do this, but today you have
Yes,
to do
sir.
something that you can give to your card. तो अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को ऐसा कुछ गिफ्ट करोगे जो उसको अच्छा लगे ना, उसको ATM तो गिफ्ट नहीं करोगे ना. So you can make something that you can give to your card, give to your friend, either card, either a friendship band. You can give these things to your friend.
Okay, sir.
She will like this. ठीक है? Okay, so complete it and send me. I will send all the pictures to you. Okay.
Sir, one time. Sir, I can see you one thing.
Yes, Shrestha.
One minute.
Okay, now those who don't have any problem, they can left. Huh? Those who don't have any problem.
Sir,
इनको कुछ नहीं पूछ.
I will see my card.
Wait, one by one. Huh?